This is a tutorial to show you how to sign in to a Zoom session easily. Go to your email and find an email which says confirmation with all the Zoom information. Do not open the email which says payment receipt. It has no information about how to log in to your Zoom session. First and the easiest way is to click on this phrase, click here to join. As you can see, when I click on it, it will give me a prompt. Click on this open zoom.us.app button and it will let me join the session which is already in progress. It is a good idea to join a session every time 10 to 15 minutes before the session begins. That way, if there are any technical difficulties, you can solve them. Here I am. So that is the session that is going on, Riya's session with Nitishanti. Let me leave this meeting to show you the second way. This is just an example. Your information, your links will be very different from mine. Second and another easy way is to download this. It says here, please download and import the following iCalendar files to your calendar system. Click on this. When you click on this, it will download a file. For me, it is saying meeting -86451 something, and it has downloaded the file on my desktop because this is how I have set up. For you, this file must be in your download folder or in your documents folder. Simply click on this calendar link and go to the event. Let's say, for example, 22nd, I didn't have much. 24th, this is a session going on. You see this link which says join Zoom meeting. Click on this link anywhere and you'll be able to join the session. Again, I'll be joining the same session by clicking on this open zoom.us.app. And you can see that I don't need any Zoom account for this. It's very simple. Again, here I am. The session is in progress. And
How was it for you today?
I'm leaving the session again. And let me show you the third way, which is using your meeting ID and passcode. Take a piece of paper and a pen and write down these digits correctly one by one and save them in place for your entire sessions or for your entire course. And then what you're going to do is open a window, new window, go to zoom.us and sign up. Let me show you how it happens. I'm opening Mozilla Firefox and type in zoom.us. Type in zoom.us and you will be able to see this sign up. It's free. Click on that. It will ask you for birth information, date, month, year, and then email address. When it asks you for email address to sign up, when you click on the sign up, it's free. Use the same email address that you used to register for the course. And you'll be able to sign in easily and register the course, right? And join the session easily when you do this. Next, what you need to do is after you sign up, it might send you an email. Go to your email, click on the link that they give in order to confirm the account of Zoom, and then come back to your browser, any browser, Safari or Mozilla or Firefox, and click on sign in. You have to click on sign in, and when you click on sign in, it will ask you for email address and the password and the captcha code which is here, which changes every time. Enter all this information and click on sign in and you will be able to join the session very easily. Let me show you how to do it. Actually, the account that I created, I haven't confirmed yet, so it will not be able to show you how to join the course. But for you, it should not be a problem once you confirm from your email. So these are the 3 different ways to join the Zoom session that you have registered for. First one is click here to join. Just click on it and you will be joining the session directly. Second one is open the calendar and click on the link given in the calendar. You'll join the session directly. Third one is create the Zoom account and enter the meeting ID and passcode by clicking on join a meeting link, and you'll be able to join the session. If you have any difficulty joining the course, even in spite of this, please contact the admin of the course and they will be able to help you. The numbers that are given here are the numbers that you use in order to join the sessions by phone only. You will not be able to join by video. This is an option to join the sessions by phone only, to listen to and to talk to them, and not using video. Thank you.